Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and in this video we are going to quickly unbox the Apple Watch Series 5. I'm quite excited to get this Apple Watch. It should be a pretty big upgrade over my Series 3, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. So I took the plastic off, and then I pull both of these little tabs here to actually get into the box. So the strap is in there, but I'll come back to that. So here's the actual Apple Watch box. As you can see, it's got the picture of the Apple Watch right on the front there. We peel off this little tape, we'll be able to open it. Once we're inside, we see the Apple Watch there, as well as the paperwork. So let's go ahead and pick up the Apple Watch. I'll turn it on a little bit later, but here it is. As you can see, it's about the same size as my Series 3, so no surprises here. And now we'll take a look at the paperwork really quickly. So in here we have just some basic information stuff. No Apple stickers, so there's that. And then we have the 5-watt power adapter and the Apple Watch charger. No surprises here. This is pretty typical for an Apple Watch unboxing. And now we have the strap box. So here I actually got the blue strap, which should be fun. So let's go ahead and open this. And once you finally open it, it'll kind of unfold like this, and you'll be able to see everything. As you can see, there's two size options, either small/medium or medium/large. So I'll go ahead and turn on the Apple Watch now. As you can see, there's the Apple logo. And putting on the strap is super easy. You just slide it into place, and there you go. You have a Apple Watch with a strap, and it looks pretty nice. I know it's just a black screen right now, but I'm gonna go set this up, and we'll see how it looks. All right, so now it's all set up. It's on my wrist, and it looks awesome. I really do like this. The always on display is super cool. I will definitely have to do a full video on this thing because it's neat. It's a big upgrade over my Apple Watch Series 3, so I'm quite excited to get it. And yeah, but with that, I'm pretty much done here. Not a whole lot to say. Just wanted to quickly unbox it for y'all. If you found this video interesting, maybe hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content just like this. You can follow me over on Twitter and Instagram at 91_tech. I also did an unboxing on the iPhone 11 Pro Max if you want to go see that. Link in the description. And with that, thanks for watching. I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I will see you all next time.